Domino is a leading global supplier of coding and traceability solutions in food, pharmaceutical, medical and industrial sectors.
We've seen a change in the materials that people are coding onto. We're now seeing a big influx in pouches and bags.
Thermal transfer over printing, or TTO printers, are used wherever there is flexible packaging or labels. Our V-Series range is ideal for high-resolution 300 dpi codes.
This allows us to print human-readable text, barcode, 2D code, or even the customer's logo.
Dobson's produce about 10 million sweets per week. Customers require that we can trace back right to the very raw materials and suppliers. To get that, you want clear, precise print right down to a few millimeters high.
They wanted a clean, ink-free option, and the V120i's maximum print speed could easily keep up with the production line that they were running.
They're small, they're compact, we can place them anywhere. Allows our staff to integrate with the software to be able to program it easily and efficiently.
The brand chose the V230i as their solution to go across their production facility.
Domino is the only supplier of printers meeting conventional TTO applications that is all electric.
We manufacture beverage mixes for the top food service retailers around the world. 70% of our business is overseas, and international law is changing. We're no longer allowed to put labels on the bag. We're using the thermal transfer printer to do the front and then the back nutrition label on the bag.
This allows them to do full pack design and large print areas.
Unique ribbon-saving technology ensures the longest possible uptime.
With over 300 SKUs, 100 different flavor profiles, we can't sit here and worry about a printer going out on us. Trust that we have a partner that's going to do their job so we can do our jobs.
The products are good, the service is good, the low cost and consumables. We can step back and know that the printers are going to run.